Hello friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate about the Java call from the is code. So for that we'll pass one string from the is and call the Java function in the is code, and we'll reverse that string through the Java code. So we'll just we'll create one Java code for this, and let's start. Java create one message flow with the same name. We'll take MQ input and MQ output and one compute node. We can pass XML, queue name is in, out queue name will be out, save it. Take one compute node. We need to create one procedure and we'll call that procedure. Procedure is create replace procedure with Java. Provide the procedure name and we'll define with the one parameter, and we will pass as character. Reverse char, and Java will return string, but we will map it here as character, and is equal will pass character and Java will read as a string. To call keyword, we will call this procedure. Procedure name should be visible here, like get space What is the issue? Invalid Java function procedure declared method name. We are missing something. Invalid Java function or procedure declaration method name. We'll do one thing. We'll just create first Java code. We'll go to the Java perspective and go to the Java project. Give the project name like reverse string app, and we'll create the class here. Provide the package like com.techmart package, and the class name is we can provide like reverse string. Finish it. We'll create one function here, function which will return one string. For creating this Java routine, Java call from eSQL, we should have a basic knowledge of the Java code. Public string get reverse string. We'll provide the parameter str as a string, and return one string. Okay, so there is we need to create one string buffer class. So we have a predefined function for the reverse, or without a string buffer we can also reverse a string, but we need to use the for loop for that. String buffer new control space string. So no need, null. And here we can use string buffer dot uh, append str buffer equal string buffer dot append as a string which will return string buffer. Now we'll convert to here reverse dot to string. So we'll call this function in the is equal code, and we'll call this is equal code through Java package like com dot techmart dot function name dot class name then function name. And we will provide the reference of this Java code into the is equal. So go to the integration development perspective and go to the project reference and choose reverse string app. Now we'll call this function in the is equal reverse, and we are passing as a string, so read from the input declare ch character root.xml and sc dot test dot test and pass ch, and it will return as a character, so we'll take that into the ch again. We need to declare one more variable reverse as character. Let's deploy the service. some error in the deployment. Java method com.techmart reverse string dot get reverse string not found, but is not declared to be static. We'll just declare like static. Now let's try. So it's deployed. Let's execute it. There is one Java is equal table, so we can check the parameter mapping. There is one table, so like if we are passing as a blob, then Java will read as a byte. If we'll pass character, Java will read as a string. If we'll pass as an integer, Java will read as a long. If we'll pass float in the is equal, Java will read as a double. So this is the table, so we have to just keep it in our mind. It is open now. Put a message. So how we are reading? We go to the is equal code. Test. We need to read as a test in the XML code. Test auto test. Put a message. Just go inside the code and we'll trace it one by one. Just going inside the Java code, and then F6 we need to press it. Let's check reverse function. So it's working fine now. In the final output, we didn't send the output here, but we are holding that into the reverse variable. So we can send as we can write like output xmlnsc dot result equal reverse. Go inside. We will just pass the same again, or with a different name, Naman. It will be same. We'll just provide another name, Sandeep. Test. Let's check the output in the out. Go to the browse, double click on the second chords, go to the data. This is the reverse of the Sandeep string. Please like our TechMart channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you. That's all about this Java function call. Thank you.